Hi, I'm Ashley Runde. I'm a marketing major at Loyola University, Chicago, and I'm originally from Beverly Hills, Michigan. So originally I came to Loyola as an entrepreneurship major with a minor in marketing. I ended up taking marketing courses and realized that was actually giving me my true passion in life, and that I really enjoy being in that field because it's creativity, but it's also analytical, and it's just something that I feel I fit very well into. So there are two things that motivate me, and they're from the same person, my father. And so he actually worked full-time and went to school part-time at night while raising 3 daughters and trying to take care of a family. And so it took him 13 years to finish school, and from that, I've learned hard work and dedication can really get you through almost anything. And another thing that motivates me that I learned from him is the saying, well, did you try your best? I would come home from school with an exam and I wasn't happy with the grade that I received, and my parents, rather than saying, well, you should have gotten this, well, you should have done this, my parents always asked me the question of, well, did you try your best? And that really helped me become a more honest person and be honest with myself in the way where I think, well, did I actually put in the time that I should have? Should I have spent more time over here rather than over there? And once it also led me to realize that if I feel that I am truly doing my best, that means that I can also be doing better, and that I should be bettering myself in other ways. So over winter break, I'm gonna go try and teach myself Python because it's a skill that I don't have, but it's a way that I can better myself. I'm currently trying to teach myself the ukulele. Very poorly, but I've always had a passion for music, and I'm like, you're not gonna know until you try, and you can always try to be a better version of yourself.